welcome back to my channel. So I'm back in my house, and my crazy bird Sarah can fly. Well, halfly fly. So as you see, she is not in her cage, and yes, she is not flying around in the house. But I did put her in a particular place. When are you gonna get down from there? Sarah, are you coming? So since she can fly, we decided to put her leash on. Her leash. You naughty bird, I'm getting you down afterwards. She is so naughty. She tries to escape from my hands. Say it! Tell them that you do that. Tell them. She can fly now. That's